Good evening. This is our brushless centrifuge 24 into 2 ml angle rotor. Today I will show you how to operate this machine. This is our 24 into 2 ml angle rotor. 24 into 2 means 2 ml tube and 24 numbers. So firstly I will show you how to place the rotor. To place the rotor, first of all, open the brass nut from the top of the shaft. After that, place the rotor and tighten the nut. Tight the nut properly with the help of the spanner. After that, place the knob on the rotor and tight the lid of the rotor. Now I will describe the features of this machine. This is rotary encoder to control the various parameter of the machine. First of all, short press this knob. You will see change RPM option is there. Now you will increase or decrease the RPM with the help of this rotary encoder. If you rotate clockwise, then RPM will increase. If you rotate anti-clockwise, then RPM will decrease. Now again short press this knob. You will see change time option is available. Now similar, if you rotate clockwise, then time will increase. Rotate anti-clockwise, then timer will decrease. The minimum time is 1 minute and maximum time period is 99 minutes. Again short press acceleration means the time taken by the rotor to achieve the set RPM. Now if you put it at 40, then it will take 40 seconds to get the 16,000 RPM. Again deceleration means the time taken by the rotor to get the 0 RPM. Again short press, program success. Now I will describe the safety feature of the machine. If lid is open and you want to try run the machine, then display will show error message, close the lid. To start the machine, close the lid and long press this knob. You will see machine is now in running condition. It will stop automatically after running time of 2 minutes. To stop the machine, short press this knob. Then here you will see braking appear and rotor start deceleration. If you want to open the lid, then it will not open until please wait message is not appear. Now machine is ready to open. I will show you how to open the rotor. First of all, rotate anti-clockwise this lid. After that, attach the spanner and remove the nut. We will provide one puller. This type of puller is available. Plug and rotate anti-clockwise. If you rotate anti-clockwise the rotor and clockwise the knob, then rotor will be out. This is the procedure how to operate a machine. Thank you.